To calibrate your iHoy Captain autopilot, start by plugging your iHoy Captain into a 12-volt socket. Then, turn on the power switch. You will hear the power-up tone, and the top LED will flash blue. Open the iHoy Captain app. iHoy Captain will automatically connect to your phone. Once connected, the top LED will turn solid blue, and you will hear the connection tone. Then, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Calibration. There are 3 calibration steps, and they must be completed in order. Rudder limit calibration and rudder calibration must be performed while the boat is securely moored. Sea calibration must be performed in calm weather and safe conditions. Rudder limit calibration. To start rudder limit calibration, unlock your iHoy Captain device. Then, manually move the rudder all the way to port. Once the rudder is in position, lock your iHoy Captain device. Next, use the on-screen buttons to move the rudder all the way to starboard. Do not force the device once the rudder reaches its limit. Rudder calibration. To start rudder calibration, unlock your iHoy Captain device. Then, start your engine and manually center the rudder. Once the rudder is centered, lock your iHoy Captain device. Next, tap Start. The device will rotate the steering wheel for a few minutes while calibration is in progress. Sea calibration. To start sea calibration, leave the port and begin cruising in a safe, open area. Set your boat to cruising speed and make sure there is enough clear space ahead and on both sides to perform zigzag maneuvers safely. Unlock your iHoy Captain device. Then, keep the boat on a straight course. Your cruising speed must be at least 4 knots to ensure optimal autopilot performance after calibration. Once the course is set, lock your iHoy Captain device. Check your engine trim level, then tap Start. Your boat will perform a series of zigzag maneuvers, and the app will notify you when calibration is complete.